Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, we're going to factor perfect square trinomials. A perfect square trinomial is a special polynomial consisting of three terms. We'll see if this particular trinomial is a perfect square trinomial or not. A perfect square trinomial is created by multiplying a binomial to itself. Let us say the square of x plus 2. Simplifying this further, we have x plus 2 times x plus 2. If we multiply the first terms, we get x squared. If we multiply the outer terms, we get positive 2x. If we multiply the inner terms, we also get positive 2x. And finally, if we multiply the last terms, we get positive 4. Notice, if we combine these terms, we get the middle term, which is 4x. Since we got this particular trinomial by squaring a binomial, we can say that this is a perfect square trinomial. Here is another way to determine a perfect square trinomial. Two of the terms of a perfect square trinomial are perfect squares, particularly the first and the last term. In this example, x squared and 4 are perfect squares, since both of them have square roots. Also, the middle term of a perfect square trinomial is twice as the product of the squares of their first term and last term. Did you get it? Well, let me show you. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 4 is 2. Multiplying these terms, we get 2x. Now, twice as the product of the squares of their first term and last term means we multiply them by 2, which is equal to 4x. Look, that is how we identify if a trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. Try to answer this. Determine whether the following trinomial is a perfect square trinomial or not. Pause the video before I reveal the answers. Here are the answers. Good thing about perfect square trinomial is that it's very easy to factor. Look at x squared plus 4x plus 4, for example. In factoring perfect square trinomial, just get the square roots of the first and the last term. In this case, x and 2. Copy the sign of the middle term. In this case, it's positive, and square them. Now let's have 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. The square roots of the first and last term is 4x and 3. This time, the sign of the middle term is negative. So we put negative and square them. Easy, right? So that is how we factor a perfect square trinomial. Practice makes perfect. It is good to practice factoring through exercises. We'll see if you have learned how to factor. Try this. Now pause the video and solve for the factors before I reveal the answers. And remember, the walls have eyes, so don't cheat. Here are the answers. Did you get all the correct factors? If yes, then congratulations. If not, then try better next time. Well, that's all for this video. Goodbye.